guys, so this is my huge everything makeup tutorial. I've already applied some foundation. There's no technique to make your skin huge, so we just skip this step and go straight to the hair. First I'm gonna make huge curls to make my hair huge. The next step is dry shampoo. Some back combing. Now makeup. So I'm gonna use some concealer. So we're gonna make the cheekbones huger and the under eye area huger. Including the lids because my eyes should be huge. And my lips should be huge. And the area around my lips also should be huge. To make my cheekbones huge, I need to use powder. The best thing about loose powder, that if it falls down, it's not gonna break. Because it's already loose. Cake it on. Because the skin layer should be huge. Now contouring. We need to make these guys huger. So I'm gonna make them rounder and pop them up. So I'm adding a preciser line, so the shadow would be more gradual. I'm gonna leave the links on all the products that I use down below. So now I'm gonna make my nose huge. No, not gonna do that. It's already huge. Now I'm gonna do my brows huge. Slightly overdraw them on top. Just slightly. Just build kind of another brow on top of mine. I'll leave it like that for now. We always can build some on top. Hear that? Sexiness is knocking on my door. Now I'm gonna make my eyes huge, using my own tips from that video, Huge Eyes. Applying brown eyeshadow on my lash line. And I'm elongating it. Here on this side, going down. And here on this side, going down. Some under eye concealing very close to the lash line, so no one would think I have lashes there. So we will make everyone think that I have everything huge. That's the goal. Some of that MAC charcoal brown eyeshadow. Make smile of the eyes, and mimicking the shadow underneath. Now I'm gonna make my crease bigger than my own crease, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna give even darker line with this dark eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna blend this line a little bit. Now I'm gonna blend the brown eyeshadow to the outer corners a little bit, just to create that huge shadow. Huge lashes will help. Well, of course there are some huge lashes in the market, but we are going for natural look. That's the nudity in makeup, you know? Everyday, huge kind of situation. Now I'm drawing that last lash here on top. I think my lash line on the outer corner should be slightly huger. It's kind of too unhuge still. So we need super huge eyeliner, as if somebody tied me to the elevator and it just went up, you know? It's like that lifting effect. Mascara. I want huge lashes, so I'm gonna cake it on pretty much. Still going for natural look though. 2018 natural kind of a vibe. I also wanted to make my nails huge first, but I just thought, you know, sitting and growing my nails in front of a camera like for 6 months, come on. Are you just kidding me? It dries here, I kick it on here. It dries here, I kick it on here. That's how us makeup artists act. I already made a video about huge lips, so I'm kind of gonna follow my own tips. I already put some foundation on my lips. Now I'm gonna powder them a little bit, so they would be matte. Taking the best pencil for overdrawing your lips, Half Red by MAC, and I'm slightly overdrawing my lips. Now I'm gonna lift the corners of my lips up, because I can't lift them down, because it's like wrong wording, kind of grammar problem. Doing some shadows to make my upper lip huge. Slightly overdrawing my bottom lip. I blend the line, so it would look super natural and nobody would like think about it's overdrawn, you know what I mean? Blend it with my finger. Now I'm gonna slightly overdraw my overdrawn lips. Holy cow. I mean, I look like a holy cow. That line normally huges the lips. And those two lines too, like it huges everything. Now I'm taking that huge white pencil and I'm huging some parts of my lips. blending technique. And this blending tool is not Sigma, as you might think. It was grown here on this arm. Looks like Sigma, I know. Like, many people ask me, is it Sigma? I say no. Now let's go back to my lashes situation. Now I'm gonna make my cheekbones more precise. Otherwise, they look too small for that type of makeup. The more rounded they are, the huger they look. I also have highlighter. What highlighter does, it hugens the objects. So there are several objects that I need to hugen still. Cheekbone is, tip of my nose. My chin should be slightly huger, at least. I want to make it like as if it just touches the camera, you know? That kind of effect. Now, above my lip, it should come forward. It almost gonna hit the camera, you know? It's this effect we need to create. Under my brows, on the lids. Make the lids what? Huger! Yay! Above my brows. But it's only to make myself look even fresher than I am now. I'm gonna make a light line above my lips. You know what for? Now I'm gonna take this dark brown color, make my brows more bushy. By adding some darker strokes, they're gonna be bushier and more natural looking because we're still going for a natural daytime look. Just want slightly more powerful highlighter.
What's that?
Because, you know, moisturizing effect. Even if your skin is gonna crack from dryness, you gotta add some moisture effect to it. As if like a lot of water is gonna flow out from your skin. Slightly here to brighten my eyes, make my eyes fresh. And I want to make my eyes so fresh that if I look on somebody with these eyes, they also feel fresh. As if they just took a shower, you know, and changed their underwear. I'm almost happy. Just want my hair slightly more polished, you know. Sorry for my dead ants. They died about several months ago, and I still can't bury them. And one very important detail is that gorgeous lip gloss. Huges your lips in a second. I'm applying it only in the middle. I hope after watching this video, you're really gonna love your smaller features. And I hope you're gonna forget about this video first thing in the morning. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
And if you have some money that you really need to spend on something, but you don't want to spend it on that cosmetic product that I showed you in this video, I know where you can spend it. For some of you who is interested, I finally have my recordings for sale. So I'm gonna leave the links down below on Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, and more songs are coming soon.
And those are the videos that you might want to watch next.